Let's start off with a simple pattern. I have an idea. Let's just take off the center caps and solve it from then. Like, put them back on the right place. That didn't work. Ooh, I have an idea. How about we just take it apart and put it in together? Good so far. Ah! So how do you solve this? I solved a pattern. Okay, since I solved a pattern, I bet I'm as good as to solve the actual cube. Let's try it. Let's try solving a side. Oh my gosh, I solved a side. How do you solve the rest? Let's try solving two sides. I solved two sides. Oh my gosh, I'm so cool. Huh, how do I solve the rest? How about we try disassembling it again and yeah. Ah, fudge. I'm making a mess with all these pieces. Let's start doing this. Wait. So the instructions say to slam it against the pieces to insert the core. I don't think it worked. It also says that another option is to squeeze them together. I hope this one works. It worked! It worked! It worked! So basically, today we learned that if you just squish it, if you break a cube like, and you squish it together, it solves. Yuppity yupperton.